not gonna go to her school today. I can't see anything on the freeway. It's raining like crazy. Freeway stopped. I got off 4 exits from home. 17 minutes just to turn around. Wow, okay. No. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but it is crazy. Crazy. Man, I don't look too bad today, huh? Yeah. Crazy ass weather. I had my wipers on full blast and I still couldn't see the freeway. People driving like idiots. This lady's gonna get on the freeway and then she just swerved out of the way. I'm like, what the hell? I didn't know what was happening, and then I swerved. You know, I thought maybe there was something in the road, and then, lucky for me, there's nobody there, nothing in front. But damn, look at it. Getting crazy again. Look, you can't even see Fort Worth. You see that over there? Where are the buildings? Where are the buildings? They're gone. It's all fogged up or clouds or something. That's rain. Texas style. Just wanted to show you why I didn't go to her school. It's been raining all day. But right now it's getting pretty bad. But look, I'm wearing my hoodie, so special occasion. Alright, well, that's it. See the city over there. Keller, Blue Mountain, whatever. It's gone. Fort Worth, gone. Me, gone.